Alright, here is my tutorial guide on how to send in your Cutco knives to get sharpened. So first you're going to go to cutco.com, and then in the top right corner you will click Sharpening, and you will click Request Service. Then you will type in your shipping address, and after typing in your shipping address, if the billing address is different, you will check that and click Continue and type in your billing address. After typing in your shipping and billing information, you will get all your knives and you will type each knife into here. So you'll typically just put quantity 1 for each knife that you have, unless you have multiple of the same knife. And then you will type in the item number of your knife. So my knife is 1725. So I'll put that there. I'll click this drop down that drops up. And the color I'm going to put as classic because that is my knife color. And then if you want to send in more knives than just one, you will click add another product. And then if you have an older knife that you don't want them to replace it, you need to check this box. Please do not replace my pre-1980 products. And then if you have any special comments or instructions, you can put it here. Then you will click continue, and they'll ask for return shipment payment information. So this is so they can ship it back to you. So you'll go ahead and type in that, and then click continue to review. You will then be brought to the review page where you'll review all your information, make sure that it is correct, and you will then do submit request. After you've submitted, there will be a short video for you to watch, and they will describe to you how to package up your knives to send them in. After you've watched the video, you can click yes, I agree, view and confirm. You will print this form and put it in the box with your knives, and then you will go to the post office and they can help you get it sent off to the shipping address that Cutco provides down here at the bottom. Cutco Cutlery, this number, RA Repair Return, such and such, Olean, New York. And that is all you need to know for sending in your knives to get repaired.